Gusto mong mag-affiliate marketing or mapunta sa sales pero mahiyain ka. Overthinking kung anong sasabihin mo or overthinking kung paano maging perfect ang iyong delivery. Hit the follow button, we can grow together. Nagiging problema ito dahil minsan sa kaka-overthink mo, you are creating so many videos, writing so many ideas, pero wala kang napopost. Or you will never be able to say your pitch kung ano man ang idea. Ang dami mo ng ideas na isulat pero you don't put anything into action.
Para mapadali ang life mo, follow this script.
Problem, solution, result. Pag nagre-ready ka, sundin mo yung tatlong yon. Ang ibig sabihin ng problem is what you struggle with. Ano ang problema? Tapos, sasabihin mo kung anong problema. And then, ano ang solusyon? And then, ano ang resulta? Importante na sabihin mo kung ano ang naging resulta sa iyo. And that is how you slowly merge yourself into sales or affiliate marketing. Unang-una, it gives you structure, it gives clarity to your videos, at madali siyang ulit-uliting gawin. At kahit ano pa ang naging resulta ng iyong video, post it. Post it right there, right now. Pag hindi mo yan pinost, you will never post it. Just do it. Get your feet wet and figure it out along the way. Kaya mo yan. Try that. Follow me. Have a beautiful day.